Alright, good morning guys. Today is Friday. You might have noticed I re-uploaded the video I did about the jeepney emissions. Accidentally erased it. So yeah, if you watch it twice, thank you. And for those that haven't watched it, thanks again for watching. But anyways, I'm at the mall right now. I gotta pick up a webcam. The one I had that I was broadcasting from yesterday, I think there's a problem with the microphone. Plus it's an old one, so I want to upgrade it to a better one. So I'm at the mall right now, and that's what I'm doing. Looks at the store, and I'll be heading over there later. Alright guys, I'm sitting here right now enjoying my kryptonite Cinnabon. Warmed up, extra frosting on it, and iced coffee. This is my kryptonite. I love this stuff. Hey guys, check this out. They always decorate this center court area here in the SM Mall here, but they got these cool looking balloons set up, like a hot air balloon. And what's going on this weekend is a hot air balloon festival, International Hot Air Balloon Festival. That was there last year. Really cool to see, and it was really neat. Obviously this year I'm not going to make it with the store and everything, but yeah, I wanted to show you this. I think they're pretty cool looking. Alright, so I only found one or two stores that were selling webcams. I guess they're not as popular here, you know, since everybody has phones, cameras on their phones, and, you know, built-in phones on the laptops and everything like that. But I found one. It was pretty decent, and I was going to purchase it. I was going to use my card, but the guy wanted me to write all my information down on a piece of paper, which I thought was kind of odd, since I had never done that before when I used my card, so I had to decline. And he was very persistent on me writing my information, my card information, and everything down on a piece of paper, and I asked him why. He told me it was for warranty reasons. So I declined on that, but I'll find me a camera. I'll figure something out. Alright guys, you remember the other day when I was on the hunt for shawarma? Well, I still haven't gotten the urge for shawarma out of my mind yet. Sort of like when I was jonesing for the peppermint patty. But I happened to find a shawarma place up at Jumbo General. They have like a little food court, and I'm heading up there right now to grab some shawarma for lunch. Alright, so in Jumbo General here, this is obviously like a little mall area. And they have a food court down here on the right hand side. So that's where I'm heading. That's where I found it. That's where I found the shawarma for sale. Right over here. It's a little shawarma stand. Huh, what happened to this stand? Oh, I went in the wrong end maybe. Yeah, right in here. TBG shawarma. Meat's all diced up. Got a couple wrappers. Warm them up. And then slap it together. Lettuce, onion, and shawarma and sauce.
Sir, what's that? Spicy? No tomato?
No tomato, yeah.
Spicy?
Spicy. Too spicy?
Yes.
Too regular, yeah. Alright, so we also buy our cigarettes for the store in here. There's a shop in here that sells cigarettes and alcohol. I just picked up 3 boxes of Fortune Light. Fortunes are a name brand cigarette here that everybody smokes. But 3 boxes, 3 packs for 153 pesos. So that's roughly, let's see, 100 is about $3 for 3 packs of Fortune Light cigarettes. Alright, so I was walking down the street and I seen Halo Halo for sale. It's like a lemonade stand here in the Philippines, but Halo Halo. So I am ordering one Halo Halo for 30 pesos. One Halo Halo! Huh? I don't know. Oh, they even offered me a chair. Thank you. What's in Halo Halo? What's this?
Makapuno. Coconut.
Coconut?
Nata de coco.
Nata de coco?
Beans lang.
Beans?
Ube.
Ube? Is that all that's in it?
Yeah.
None of this? This?
Corn.
Corn, that's it.
Yes, banana.
And banana.
Pinipi.
Pinipi. And ice, right?
Sago.
Ice. What's this?
Yes, sago.
Sago and ice. That is what's in Halo Halo. So they also sell what's called a flying saucer. Now she just told me that's a ham and cheese sandwich.
Yes.
So a flying saucer is a ham and cheese sandwich. Alright, so I came back from picking up the shawarma, and my area of responsibility has grown. We had to just stand in the house and we figured we'd bring it over here. Put all the chips and everything on it. And then got these two lower ones where I can put my things on. So, but my area of responsibility is growing and growing. Now what that also has done is this freed up more space over here on the shelves. So look, once I get back from picking up Hannah Grace, she's sitting down there going through all her change. And once I get back from picking up Hannah Grace, she's going to go to Jumbo Genera, our new favorite store, and get more stock and stock up the empty shelves. How much you got in coins, Lut? How much you got in coins?
This?
Yeah.
This is almost the down.
Bag full of coins. Alright, so I bought the Halo Halo and stuck it in the refrigerator. And guess who's eating it now? Hannah Grace. What are your thoughts on Halo Halo, Hannah Grace? What do you think about Halo Halo? You like it?
Yeah.
Is it one of your favorites?
Yeah.
Is it better than ice cream?
No.
Not better than ice cream? Better than chicken?
No.
No? What else? Better than... What's your other favorite food?
Mango one.
Is it better than that? No? But it's good? Alright. Hannah Grace says Halo Halo is good. Alright, look, just got back from our favorite new store, Jumbo Genera. And she got more product to sell. More snacks, more crackers. She got a box full of stuff too. I think canned goods. But yeah, we're restocking. Tomorrow will be a week since we've had our official grand opening. But just alone, you know, I think we opened up the doors, I think last Wednesday, and I think we've run to Jumbo Genera to restock things and get alcohol and sodas and things like that at least. I know Jumbo Genera at least 4 times, and getting sodas at least once that I know of, and picking up other, you know, other products, things we didn't have here that people have been asking for. So Lut is restocking the shelves. Alright, so earlier today I went to a place called Barretto's here. Now Barretto's sells a lot of meats. You can get lunch meat there, cheese is there, pork chops, chicken and steak. It's actually one of the only places that you can get lunch meats. And picked up this ribeye steak tonight. I know it doesn't look very big, and there's my hand, but I usually get the ribeye from Australia. Now the Australian ribeye is pretty decent, but they had this one from Brazil. So I'm going to cook this up and have this for dinner tonight. But yeah, Barretto's is decent. Like I said, pick up a lot of lunch meats there. You go into grocery stores here and they don't sell lunch meat. Alright guys, the sun's getting ready to set and I gotta cook up that steak, and I'm sitting out here on my perch again like I usually do in the evenings. People watch traffic go by. Let's inside, stocking up the shelves, and well, guess it's been another good day. Well, I don't guess it's been a good day. I know it's been another good day here in the Philippines, and journey continues tomorrow, and we'll see you then.